One of the trickiest things about growing shelling peas is knowing exactly when to harvest them. If you pick them too early, they haven't filled out. But if you wait too long, they begin to lose their sweetness as they convert sugar to starch. And today I'm harvesting at different stages so we can compare them side by side. So you want to harvest these when they look like the one on the left. Bright green, but with a smooth pod. Now the peas will fill the pod, and at this point they're about as good as they're going to get. And if you look at the other ones, the peas continue to grow, but they get starchy almost immediately, and the pods also get wrinkled. Now let's do the taste test. This one is very sweet. The oldest is much tougher and much starchier. Even that one is starchier. So it doesn't take long to go from very good to not as good. Now, these are still fine for soups and that sort of thing, but for boiling with butter and salt as fresh peas, these are the ones we want to go with. You know, I was waiting for my wife to come in from out of town before I harvested the peas. And unfortunately, about half went past that perfect peak. They're still good and they'll still be delicious, but they're not exactly where I wanted them to be. That's okay. You know, gardens reward paying attention, not perfection. If you found this video helpful, please hit like, consider subscribing, and we'll see you next time in the garden.